Hey friends! I found a set of 3 mixing bowls at the thrift store and thought they would make cute Christmas arrangements. With red, white, and green as the color palette, I tried it 3 different ways. This is style number 1. Stay tuned for the other 2 styles and see which one inspires you to create your own version. Included in this arrangement is red Gerbera daisy, white mums with gold sparkles, white wax flower, cedar, juniper, leather leaf, gold painted Israeli ruscus. Leather leaf is the most economical base that you can use in your arrangements, so I covered the foam with it and used the cedar and juniper as accents. I decided to start with the Gerbera daisies and spread them throughout the arrangement. Now I'm going to add the white mums. Sometimes when I cut the mums off the stem, they can be quite short. Later in the video, you can see that I add a group of them together left on the main stem. Lastly, I added the wax flower. Wax flower has a delicate bloom that is a nice alternative to baby's breath. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button or subscribe. In the end, I decided to shorten the Gerber daisy in the middle of the arrangement. I wanted the height initially, but the mums were too short, and so it had to be adjusted. I hope you're enjoying the holiday season.